Yo, God bless you. God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. Hear me. The spirit with which you cross over a new year matters a lot. The spirit with which you cross over a new year is what carries you throughout the year. Come and cross over with the prophet of God. Hear me and hear the word. Who crosses you over? And who you cross over with matters a lot. Who crosses you over and who you cross over with matters a lot. Because your association determines your acceleration. Your association. Some will cross over with doctors. Some will cross over in nightclub. Certains vont traverser avec les marabouts. Certains vont traverser dans les bois de nuit. Certains vont traverser dans les rues. Mais décide de traverser avec le Seigneur Jésus-Christ. Donc je t'invite à l'ancienne route, le stade de Good Shepherd, avec le prophète de Dieu, avec l'ambassadeur de l'unité. Je vous invite vous tous à Good Shepherd. Il y aura la foule. Le service commence à 18h. Je dis le 31 nuit, serait power jump power. Les marabouts qui t'arrêtent vont descendre. Tout obstacle dans ta vie descend au nom puissant du Seigneur Jésus-Christ. Dans 26, c'est une année de débordement. 2026 is a year of overflow. You will testify. You will testify. Don't forget your acceleration, your association. The devil is your acceleration. Come and associate yourself with the prophet of God, with the ambassador. That night is the night of Elijah. The night of Elijah. The spirit of Elijah will cross you over to 2026 according to 2 Chronicles 20:20. Believe in your prophet, so shall you prosper. Believe in God, so shall you be established. God bless you. Power, jump power.